Most people think NVIDIA is just a graphics card company, something gamers buy to get better frame rates or sharper visuals. That belief is outdated, and honestly, it misses the real story. NVIDIA is no longer just powering video games. It is quietly powering artificial intelligence, modern science, autonomous vehicles, and the future of computing itself. If AI is the engine driving the next industrial revolution, NVIDIA is the company building the engine room. So, what does NVIDIA actually do, and why has it become one of the most important companies on the planet? Let's break it down, clearly and simply. At its core, NVIDIA designs specialized computer chips called GPUs, graphics processing units. Unlike traditional CPUs, which handle tasks one at a time, GPUs are built to perform thousands of calculations simultaneously. This makes them extremely efficient at parallel processing, meaning many operations at once. Originally, this architecture was perfect for rendering graphics in video games and 3D environments. Every frame on your screen requires millions of calculations happening in parallel. NVIDIA mastered this problem early, which is why it became dominant in gaming. But here's where everything changed. Researchers realized that the same parallel processing power that renders game graphics is also ideal for training artificial intelligence. AI models learn by processing massive datasets, adjusting billions of parameters over and over again. CPUs struggle with this workload. GPUs thrive on it. This discovery transformed NVIDIA from a gaming company into an AI infrastructure company. Today, NVIDIA GPUs are the backbone of modern AI. When a large language model is trained, when a self-driving system learns to recognize pedestrians, when scientists simulate climate patterns or protein folding, NVIDIA hardware is almost always involved. But NVIDIA does not just sell chips. That is a critical point many people miss. NVIDIA built an entire ecosystem around its hardware. The most important piece of that ecosystem is CUDA, a proprietary software platform that allows developers to write programs specifically optimized for NVIDIA GPUs. CUDA made GPUs programmable beyond graphics. It turned them into general-purpose supercomputers. This created a powerful moat. Once researchers, universities, startups, and governments built their AI tools on CUDA, switching away from NVIDIA became expensive and risky. Software, talent, and infrastructure all became tied to NVIDIA's platform. This is one of the main reasons NVIDIA dominates AI data centers today. Now let's talk about data centers, because this is where NVIDIA's influence becomes massive. Modern AI does not run on laptops. It runs in enormous data centers filled with thousands of GPUs working together. NVIDIA designs not only the GPUs, but also the networking hardware, the system architecture, and the software stack that connects everything. Products like NVIDIA A100 and H100 GPUs are specifically engineered for AI training and inference. These chips power cloud providers, research labs, and AI companies around the world. When companies like OpenAI, Google, or Microsoft scale AI systems, NVIDIA is deeply embedded in that process. But NVIDIA did not stop there. The company expanded into full-stack computing platforms. One example is NVIDIA Omniverse, a platform used to create digital twins. A digital twin is a real-time virtual replica of a physical system. Factories, warehouses, cities, even entire supply chains can be simulated digitally before changes are made in the real world. This allows companies to test designs, optimize workflows, and reduce risk. Automotive companies simulate factories. Architects simulate buildings. Engineers simulate robotic systems. Again, NVIDIA is not just selling chips. It is selling computational infrastructure for decision-making. Speaking of automotive, NVIDIA is heavily invested in autonomous driving. Self-driving cars require real-time AI processing. They must analyze camera feeds, radar, LiDAR, and sensor data instantly while making safety-critical decisions. NVIDIA builds specialized platforms, such as NVIDIA Drive, that handle this workload. These systems are used not only for self-driving cars, but also for advanced driver assistance, in-car infotainment, and vehicle simulation. Then there is healthcare. NVIDIA's technology is used in medical imaging, genomics, and drug discovery. AI models trained on NVIDIA GPUs help detect tumors, analyze scans, and accelerate research that once took years. In robotics, NVIDIA provides platforms that allow robots to perceive their environment, plan actions, and learn from experience. Warehouses, hospitals, and manufacturing facilities increasingly rely on these systems. So why does all of this matter? Because NVIDIA is not selling consumer products alone. It is selling the underlying computational layer of the modern economy. Think of it this way. Just as electricity powered the industrial age, accelerated computing powers the AI age, NVIDIA controls a significant portion of that acceleration. Its competitive advantage is not just better chips. It is the combination of hardware, software, developer adoption, and ecosystem lock-in. That is why NVIDIA's growth has been explosive. It sits at the intersection of AI, cloud computing, scientific research, and automation. And this is also why NVIDIA's importance extends far beyond stock prices or gaming benchmarks. When governments build AI supercomputers, NVIDIA is there. When companies train the next generation of models, NVIDIA is there. When industries try to simulate, automate, and optimize complex systems, NVIDIA is there. So what does NVIDIA actually do? It builds the computational foundation that modern intelligence runs on. Gaming was the beginning. AI is the present. And infrastructure for a highly automated, data-driven world is the future. And NVIDIA is positioned right at the center of it all.